In this video, I'll show you how to contact Wise support using the chat feature. First, open the Wise app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon or the menu section, usually in the top corner. Scroll down and look for Help or Support. Tap on it and you'll see a list of common topics and FAQs. Before starting a chat, Wise may suggest articles related to your issue. If you still need help, scroll down and select Contact Us. Then choose the topic that best matches your problem. After selecting your issue, you'll see the option to start a live chat. Tap it, describe your problem clearly, and send your message. Depending on availability, you'll either connect with a live agent or receive a response shortly inside the app. You can track all replies directly in the chat section of the Wise app. And that's it. That's how you get help using Wise chat support. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more finance app tutorials.